Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the load more button here for the direct, and we're going to do that with JavaScript. And yeah, let's start. I don't like that it's that date, so we can use Django OnlyFans thing. Yeah, we just copy this. Let's go to the settings, paste it here, common. Now we can go to the top and load humanize. Now we can go here, natural time. Let's refresh, and yeah, 10 hours ago, 9 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago. Perfect. Now let's check here. Style border bottom. Let's check. Yes, perfect. That looks better. Okay. I was about to do, I forgot. Okay, so let's go to the views. Let me check. Okay, here, the views. So let's go here, direct. And basically, let's have a pagination here. Do we have a paginator? We can just copy this one. Okay, so paginator direct will be, yeah, no more than 5. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let's put 5. Okay, direct page number. There is the page. Okay, that is. Okay. Okay, so now it's working. Yes. Okay, so now that we have our paginator, let's create our new view called dev load more. Okay, this will take a request. Let's get the user. User will be request that user. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a ajax, like, and every time we click with send, like the ajax, we're going to like send the page, like all the data depending on what page are we. And so request is ajax. So username will be request that post that get. We get the username. We're going to send the username from the ajax. So page number direct request dot post dot get direct page. Basically here we're getting the username and the page number. So yeah, so now direct will be message dot objects dot filter. User will be user. Recipient username will be username, and then order by minus date. So now we have to do something very important. So let's go values, because we're just getting the value. See, this is what's happening. We're getting a JSON and we're just showing the values. We cannot like get the objects, so we kind of like have to basically like just here like look up the values and then say here, for example, like sender profile underscore picture, comma, because we can now like do the for example, let's say, you know, the templates that we do, for example, like user that picture, we cannot do that with ajax. That's how we just get the values from here like that. So sender first name, we just do it here in the view before we pass it to the JSON, because we cannot do it in the JSON. That makes sense? I hope that makes sense to you. So now body, look at the body, and then date, and that's it. It's very simple. So yeah, so now what we do the, oops, let me check. So now pagination for direct. Okay, so here paginator direct will be paginator by 5. We're basically like doing kind of like the same thing that we did here. Okay. If paginator direct that num underscore pages, this is from the paginator, like num pages are greater or equal to page number direct here. So basically, if we are in the same page number, or you know, okay, so basically direct data will be paginator direct get underscore page, and then we pass page number direct here. That makes sense? So if page number direct that we get from the ajax is in the range of the number of pages, then we get the page. Okay. So now creating the list of data. So, oops, direct list. Now we create a list with this data. Okay. Okay, because what we do this because we're having a JSON response, which actually let's import that. Okay, here. Okay. Because we're creating a JSON response and we need a list. So now that we have the list, let's do this for x in range, and then the length of direct list. Okay. So what we do, we direct list x, and then date. We're doing this because you know, the natural time it doesn't work with the natural time template tag, won't work with the JSON response, and that's why we kind of like do it here in the view before we send it to the template. So we need to, let's go on the top, we need to import that. So from Django.contrib.humanize template tags. Wait. Contrib humanize Django contrib humanize template tags that humanize that natural time. Oops. So basically we're doing the same thing that we do in the template tags, like the humanize thing. For example, here, as you can see, we have like humanize, and then here we have natural time. Yeah, that's what we're doing here. But in the views, just you can load those template tags in the view. Let's go here. So now here the date we then will be equal natural time direct list x, and then oops, and then the date. Yeah, basically we're replacing these ones with these ones. We're replacing these values with these values with the natural time of the same value. Make sense? So after we fix the dates, now we JSON response direct list, and then save. Let's put false. No, this is not saving. So else return JSON response. So so if we are not in the range, we need to notify that we don't have data. So that's here what I'm doing, like else I'm putting a empty libs. So I'll just put empty true. Because let's say that we have like let me check. It's throwing an error here. Django.contrib.humanize import natural time. Oh, okay. So here, let's say that we have like 3 pages. We set an ajax for page 1. Okay, we still have data. Okay, we have to show the button because we still have more pages. Then second, and then third, and then 5, and then we don't have more pages because it's out of the range. We don't have more pages. So here we just return like empty A because we don't have more pages, empty. So when we get that empty, we know that we don't have to load more directs. It's done now. Okay, so our view seems to be done. We're going to see that when we try it here. I forgot. Okay, so in the direct, we're going to have let's check. So these are the messages. So we want to have the button on the top. So like here, I guess. Let's put here. Let's put it here. So here, and then let's have actually like this one better. Okay. Add, load more, save. Yes, kind of like that. Okay, so we got the load more. So now here we need to basically have an input. ID. So let's name this input page number, and then the type will be hidden, and the value will be direct that next page number. Okay. Okay. Oops. Save. Okay, so it's showing that because we don't have more pages for that. So if direct that has next, we're going to show the button. If not, well, we don't need a button because okay, so it's hidden now. This button, let's call it load more button. Let's save that. Okay, so we got our templates and views working. So now we need to work with the, let's have this open still. Okay. So we need to work with the static because we're going to create a new JavaScript file. This will be loadmore.js. And here, this, let me just check. Yeah, we can just copy this. I don't know much about JavaScript, so if you think there is a better way to do something, just let me know. Okay, so now here we got our, what was the name? Wait, okay. Load more function. So when we click on this, okay, function, and then here. So when we click on this button, we're going to have what? The ajax. Yes. But we need to load some data first. First, we need to get the username. The username document that get element by name. We put it by name. Let me check. Oh, yeah, we can use this one. Let me check. Yes, we can use this input. So let's put to user. And now here we put 0, and then we get the value. Okay. Oh. I'm thinking this is Python or something. Now, direct page will be document get element by ID. Here, remember, where are we? Okay, to the top. Here, page number. And here, page number will be, let's parse direct page value. We're parsing this. Okay. So our ajax and kind of like that. And check. Yes. Of course. Oh, we forgot to add the. Wait. Let's go to direct URLs. Load more. Here. Load more. Okay. Save that. So now here we got the URL. The URL is messages and then load more. That's the URL. Now data will be here. Data will be direct page because we're sending the direct space. So page number. We are sending also the username. And very important, we need to go here. So for this one, every time you send like a post, every time you send a post, you need a cross forgery token. So we can put it here, just like we do, like, hey, let's see, no, it won't work. Oops. No, it won't work. We need to get the cross forgery token from another way. There is a way to do it, so this is the way. Type test JavaScript. Okay. Now here we put window that, let me see, CSRF and window dot CSRF token will be, and now here we can just pass the token here, CSRF token. Simple. So okay, let's create a new block here. Let's call this block JavaScript. Okay, let's copy this. So let's go to base. Okay, so here we're going to add block. Oops. Because in here also we need to load our new script that we're creating, and this one it's static, eating it static JS and load more .js. Perfect. Let's put a comment here. This is for the agent request in load script. So we can send post request. Because okay. I always forget that. I think this is Python. No. Okay. Now back to the JavaScript, to the script. Okay. So now here, CSRF middleware token will be window dot CSRF wait. Let's just go to the direct. And just copy this one. Okay, we got our token. And so now, gotcha, false, type, this is a post. So if this is success, function data, if this is a success, we are getting some data from the JSON response. So if first we need to check that the data is not empty. So if data dot empty, remember here in our view, where is the view? Okay, so remember here in our view, we got like empty. So if data empty equals true, that means that we don't have data. So we need to oh, what is that sound? Sorry about that. So load more button, we need to hide the button, and here else. So we get the data. So if we have data, so for we said, like, we did this in one of our videos. I hope that you remember this. So for each data function, I'm doing the same thing here what we did with the previous video. So and so for oh wait, what? Okay, so here right, else each. So for each data, we're going to create like the HTML tag or template. So let's go here. We need to basically copy this thing. So bar, let's call it OL collection HTML will be, we need to copy item avatar. And we don't need to do this validation because we know that we have the picture from the user. So I forgot what we're going to do. Oh yes. Like what? So let's copy this, paste here. So in this source, so from here to here, source, we add b sender. Remember here in the views, profile picture. So let's just copy this one. That sender. Oh wait, this is. So b sender profile picture plus, and then we just continue concatenating all this stuff. Okay, so we're in the picture now. Let's go here. It's basically the same thing. So wait, where are we? Oh yes, here. We got a picture now. We have to do this. Let's copy this one. And plus wait, I'm confused. Okay, so we can here span. Now here we put the name. This is so sorry about this, but I think this is a little messy. The code is a little messy, so but if you here plus let's add like an empty space here, so plus be that last name plus okay, so yeah, save that. So we got the first name, the last name. Now we need the username. Actually, why are we showing the username if we know there's a person? Wait, yes. I don't want to deal with that. So this shows. Okay, so, but now we need to put this in bold. We don't need to know the username. You see? Haha. So yeah, and now we don't have to now we just put B here and then B, right? Okay. Now we got the first name and last name. Let's go to the direct. First name, last name, and then like now the body. Oh, we can put this together here. And then here, let's check. And now the date. And here plus. Hey, wait. Let me check the view. And then we just, let's check direct. Yeah, we just close this with a P and then leave. I hope that makes sense to you. It's very long. Let's double check all of this. Let's make sure that we're concatenating this correctly. Sender first name plus. Okay. Okay. Okay and okay. Oh, we're missing a. We're missing a comma somewhere. Let me check. Pause else function data if else each. Anyway, so let's forget about this for now. So now, let's put all OL direct. This is the OL here. So we need to set an ID for this one. So let's put the ID OL direct. We're going, so here what we're going to do, we're going to append. We're going to append, of course, this HTML data that we just generated. So here, and yep, very much. Ajax, sex, and then here. And so, okay, let me see, we are here. And then we are here. Let's move this one here so we can like see. So now what we do, we page number equals page number plus 1 because we want to increase the page number. So remember the page number that we have over there here, this one. So we need to update that one. So page number, kind of like that. Let's change the value of this one. This one will be page number. Perfect. And so yeah, oops. And now let me see, and these ones here. Wait, okay, this one's ends here. So this one is that one. Okay. Else each says unexpected. It should be comma. Oh, I see why. Okay. So now let's check. Read carefully all of like this whole JavaScript file so you can understand more like what all of this does. So page number. Okay, here. So here we return false. And no. We're having a mess here. So let me check. Page number. What is the comment that this thing is saying that I'm missing? Oh, that's why. Wait. This one ends here, and this one is a Jew query. So let's go to the top and check here. And then we got our ajax. We got a comma here. We got our comma for data here, and then here, and then here. And then sysx. Function data. La, 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 la. Else each. And then page number. Well, let's check with the before. Well, this one is from here, so I don't know. I don't understand why it says that. What? Oh. Oh, that's why. Oh yeah, we were missing something here. So now I don't know. So we got our files and everything. Now we need to try this. Control F5, and now let's send a new message, and yeah, yep. And as you can see, our load more, it's just, so now let's click on that, and yep. Oh, for some reason this is not working. Wait. Let's check the views, profile, picture, and let's see what picture we're getting here. Oh, now I remember. So let's go back to our JavaScript files. So here, here we need to put media. Now we can see the picture. Okay. I guess, let me check. Oh yeah, we need to Control F5 to load the new JavaScript files. Okay, let's try again. Okay, nope. Let's check. Oh, yes, that's the error. So we put media, now Control F5, and now we can load. Let me check. We have a problem here with our, oh, of course, that's the problem. Let's try again. Let's reload it, and here you go. So yeah, and as you can see, more. Okay, learn. So yeah, we got our load more button working, and with the JavaScript and everything. I think we're almost done with this, so we need to basically just create like a search view, and we're going to do that in this video. For now, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.